First, it was Arizona. Now controversy is swirling around a new immigration law in Alabama. 16 countries are filing briefs in support of a lawsuit by the Department of Justice, trying to block the Alabama law set to go into effect at the beginning of September. Joining us now for a fair and balanced debate are Dan Stein, president of the Federation for American Immigration Reform, and Christian Ramos, an immigration policy advisor for the New Democrat Network. Gentlemen, welcome to you both.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here today.
Good to be here.
All right, let's talk a little bit about this law. Many provisions are very similar to Arizona. Some portions of that Arizona law have been upheld. Others have been enjoined. So let's talk about this. I mean, Dan, it's a law that involves asking school officials to check the immigration status of kids, of students. Does that go too far?
Oh, look, the Alabama law is a very important law. We want to salute what Governor Bentley has done here in the legislature because, look, the Obama administration will not enforce immigration law against the vast majority of illegal aliens in the United States. And states are saying, look, we want help from the federal government. Now, the Obama administration attacked the Arizona law. Now they're attacking the Alabama law and saying, no, we're not going to enforce the law to free up jobs for American workers. We're not going to enforce the law to ensure that Americans are getting benefits and only Americans during a time of scarce economic, we're cutting back for ourselves now. And instead of giving the American people a break, the administration is going after these important state laws that are designed to try to improve U.S. immigration law enforcement. And the big politics here, this is all about politics. Utah passed a law that had an immigration program that was completely unconstitutional to have guest workers come into Utah. The Obama administration did not sue Utah, but they sued Alabama and they've sued Arizona. And basically they're saying, we don't want the laws enforced. And if a state tries to bring about any kind of help in enforcing these laws, we're going to sue the state, sue the American people.
Let's bring in
so
Christian.
It's about
The
elites versus the American people.
Christian, is that a fair characterization of the use of DOJ resources to go after certain states but not others?
Dan and I are in agreement here. The immigration laws in this country, they don't work. They don't work for states and they don't work for the nation as a whole. The federal government has done a job in enforcing the immigration laws as they're written now. We've had $90 billion over the last 10 years in immigration enforcement. We've had nearly over a million deportations, and we've had undocumented immigration into this country actually decrease. And I think the situation now becomes we actually have to help states, we have to come back to Congress, and we have to figure out how to deal with those that are currently here, but also figure out how to process legal immigration in the future, in the sense that right now we're taking people into this country, we're having them go to school here, and then we have laws that throw them out, and then they actually are starting Fortune 500 companies in other countries. And that doesn't really help us at all in the long run.
All right. Christian, Dan, thank you for presenting both sides of this. We know the Alabama fight is far from over. We appreciate you weighing in. Thank you both.
Thank you.